no doubt we must have guardians and guidance of our elders, what we are getting out of that. But sorry to say, we have got very little attendance of the youngsters, not more than 10%. I don't know why. What is the reason behind it? MEAI, Mining Engineers Association of India, basically it is. It has started from Barajamda and then shifted to the headquarters Hyderabad. Anyway, sir. So we must concentrate on the scientific mining. We have got so many scientific tools right from exploration in terms of drilling, different types of diamond drilling or all sort of drillings are there with all sophistication, and we all are doing. Then the development part of the mines, then the winning of ores, and again the waste management and the rehabilitation of the areas. That is the post-mining scenario, which we are going to give after having mined out the area to the society, which is the very critical issues nowadays. And that's the big area to focus. Otherwise, it will be very difficult, because I have with the Jharkhand, Damoh, MP, Udaipur, Rajasthan, as a head of the different mines. I work with 10 minerals, so I have seen the real problems what mining manager are facing. Mines manager, basically the mining engineers, they are actually mines managers as a second class and again the first class. And they are the techno-legal expert, in fact, because they are having degree in engineering and again the legal Mines Act, Mines Rules, MCDR. There are so many Indian mining legislation, circulars, conferences, all therein. So they are knowing all the things, but they are not able to implement in practice, truly speaking, holistically speaking. Because in mining legislation, the powers of the mines manager is yet to define. The DGMS, the authority, the governing bodies which is providing the first class mines manager competency for a person to operate the mines, but they have not defined the powers. So unless until one is having the weapons, one cannot win the war in true sense. And again, very old pattern is still going on. We have got more than 70% of the mines in open cast category. There are first class mines manager competency certificate restricted to open cast, but there is rather no staffing and all sort of things. So there is so many things behind that. So again, it is my request to the panel and all already senior sirs, whenever you find opportunity, you please say something to the ministries or to have a DGMS for the open cast categories separately, and the inclusion of mining engineering in the Indian engineering examination for the mineral rich districts, so that a person can handle